A very good morning to one and all. I am Vidha Vijay, a proud member of Interact Club at Sri Aurobindo Center of New Education, Jodhpur. Today, I bring here attention to a very serious and pressing issue, the ever-growing problem of dirt, waste and pollution. It just isn't an eyesore. It's a major problem affecting our health, our surrounding and our commitment towards a clean India. We, the students of Interact Club, have taken it upon ourselves to be a part of this solution by adopting this very role. We pledge to take full responsibility of keeping it clean and making it a space we all can feel proud of. As you can see, the garbage is spread everywhere. Despite the school, the college, and the shops, we also have homes all around. The littering still persists. The root cause of this major problem is an empty plot nearby, which has turned into an unofficial.
At Sri Aurobindo Center of New Education, the Interact Club stands as a beacon of hope and change, driven by the belief that our youth hold the power to shape a better tomorrow. Through creativity, compassion, and collaboration, the students here are not only hearing but are also actively enriching their community. This project reflects the heart of what it means to empower youth, to inspire them to take initiative, to make a difference, and to lead with empathy. As they engage with the world around them, they realize that every small action can create ripples of positive change. The youth of today have the strength to challenge norms, to build bridges, and to leave a legacy of kindness, unity, and innovation. This project is just one of the many steps towards a brighter future where the power of youth and the spirit of community come together to create a lasting impact. Together, we grow, we learn, and we uplift one another, empowering the youth, enriching the community. The future is in our hands.